Hey, what is on, guys? This is CLDY here. And for today's video, I'm gonna be discussing the Supreme FW20 Week 12 drop, which is a decent drop. It's not one of the best drops. There's nothing really exciting, especially exciting, but overall, there's some decent items, some good personal items, and there should be some good reselling items. So let's get into the drop list as usual. So the recommended items to cop for the resale are the aerial skateboard and the aerial tapestry. I think that's how you say it. I'm not really sure. Harrington jacket. Those are the two items that I'm hearing should be the safest items to go for the resale. Obviously, if you want to go for the jacket and you want to be really safe, go for the size XL and size small and quick flip it. So once you buy it, list it up on Grailed, eBay, whatever websites you like to use, and sell it instantly. Don't wait till you get it, because then the resale might go down. Just get it sold fast, because that's how you do it. You want to be really safe. You think that it might break down the line, then just get rid of it fast and just quick flip it. Same thing with the skateboard. If you're scared of it breaking, then quick flip it. And yeah, another popular item is the fishbowl. Now you can do a lot of the fishbowl. You can probably plant something in it if you guys don't want to have a fish in there. Very versatile item. Just not the best item to go for, in my opinion, because the retail is pretty high. But I don't know, if you think it's a good choice, then go for it. But I don't think I'm gonna be going for it, because I don't really need a fishbowl. But then again, it'd be really cool to have. This could be really useful. I was gonna say it could be used as a thing where you toss your keys into and random stuff into, but it is kind of too deep, and the opening is probably a little bit small for that. So I wouldn't recommend it using it as a holder for various items. But hey, you can put stuff in it. It could be used for other things other than a fishbowl. It could be kind of dynamic. So not a bad cop, but I wouldn't recommend copying it for the resale. Next up, the aerial crew neck. Obviously, it's part of the whole set. Pretty cool design for a crew neck. Some good colorways and everything. I wouldn't recommend going for it for the resale. It might do a little bit of numbers in the best color, maybe black and XL small, but I just don't see it being very likely that's going to be doing too good. So I would like to avoid that in general. The Harrington jacket should have resale, but again, it is risky because the price is very high. It is higher than most people expected. People were hoping for this to be more around the $200 type range, so around $220, $230, something like that, or even $280, $290. But it is hitting at $358, which is freaking expensive. That's the only way to put it. It is expensive and should grab you some profit, but it's gonna be nothing crazy. I'm pretty sure the profit will be under $100, probably under $50 after shipping and fees. Unless you sell it locally, it's gonna be a resellable item, but don't expect anything too crazy. And then we got the pants. Honestly, I love the pants. I think they look freaking awesome, but the price, man, the price, $288, is just way too crazy. If these were $100 cheaper, I would definitely consider copying them. I probably would cop them for the personal even, but that price is honestly insane. So most likely I will end up going for a skateboard, because I wanted the pants, but that price is just not very affordable. I don't want a $300 pair of pants, just way too much. And I'm not really sure is it gonna go up in price or not. So if I do cop it for the personal, if I don't want to keep wearing it, then I want to sell it. And at $300, I'm not really sure how much money will I get back if I wear it and then I want to sell it. I'm not really sure how much can I get back, so that's why I probably won't cop it. And that is really it for my opinions on the drop. I'm not a crazy big fan of it. I forgot to talk about the Timberlands, but then again, I don't think the Timberlands are going to be too good. So you want to resell, I say the safest thing is probably going to be the aerial skateboard. It's pretty good price. You should be able to grab some profit for it, I would have to assume, but I think that has to be the best move. But that is all for my opinion, so leave in the comments down below what will you guys be copying tomorrow. Honestly, I don't really know what I'm going to be doing yet, or decide tomorrow morning, or try to decide, but it's going to be a tough choice. I think skateboard is going to have to be my move. And that's it. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please drop me a like down below. I appreciate all the likes you guys drop me. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.